Open the app and tap Agree to accept the privacy policy. Sign in with your Google account. Signing in. Grant Bluetooth permission. BMW uses Bluetooth to transmit navigation prompts, music, and other audio. Grant location permission. Location is required for navigation. The app does not store your location. It is used only by Google Maps for navigation. Important: change the location permission to allow all the time to keep navigation running in the background, with the screen off, or during phone calls. For the first connection, tap the screen mirroring button manually. Also disable battery optimization to keep the app running in the background. Once connected, the navigation will be displayed on your BMW screen. To display Spotify album art and engine RPM, go to Me, My Music, and sign into your Spotify account. Allow notification access. This permission is required to forward music information to the BMW display. Tap here to sign into Spotify. Spotify Premium is required. You can upgrade to Premium in the Spotify app. After tapping Authorize, the Spotify app will open automatically. The music library includes recommended for you, liked songs, and My Playlists, giving you access to Spotify recommendations, your liked songs, and your personal playlists. These two options let you long press the right side of the control wheel to skip to the next track, show or hide song information and engine RPM on the display. The display shows the current and previous album artwork. For the first track, only the current song information is shown. Lyrics for the currently playing song are also displayed. The center displays the engine RPM. The color changes smoothly from green to orange and then to red as the RPM increases. Turn off music display to hide both music information and engine RPM on the display. Lyrics are displayed into lines. The first line shows the current lyric, and the second line shows the upcoming lyric. On mid-size displays, only navigation information is shown. Music information and engine RPM are not displayed. On smaller displays, the navigation interface is simplified. Music information and engine RPM are not displayed. This concludes the tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, please contact us at zhis-dev@outlook.com.